Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. We are back with my lovely Force Find E30. If you're new to the channel, this is a 1987 BMW 325i convertible that I got for 500 bucks. Today, what I would like to do is read the codes, thanks to a viewer who sent me a couple of code readers. These are very, very old. They're very hard to find. So I want to say thanks to John for that. You really helped me out. We're going to fix problems as well, and we're going to hopefully take this car out there on the road. Monkey. Wrench. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
We've just started and we have found one of the problems already, okay? The real fuse box, what the fuse box is supposed to look like right here. Fuse 21 does lots and lots of things, and it could be the reason why my tach doesn't work. You go through here, you've got your meter set on ohms, and if you touch both sides of the fuse, it should zero out. If it does not, you have an issue. The fuse is blown. See how this one goes to zero? There you go. This one did not. It went to some crazy reading right there, okay? So if you look closely, right here, yep, the wire's broken. Right inside there, the little bitty wire's broken. So all we have to do, I have a fistful of fuses right here, is try a new one. Let's make sure that this one is good. Zero. All right. We put this in, we give the car a start, and I think, fingers crossed, the tach will work. We're inside the car. Let's see what happens when we turn her on. Hopefully, the battery's still good. We're going to focus right here. All of your attention, all of your energy is going to go right here. Hopefully, this is going to move. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. I don't think it's going to move. Here we go. Oh! Oh! Look at that! We fixed something. Come on. Come on, car. Don't die. Don't die. Dadgummit. Yes, sir. MPG and the tachometer are working. Have we fixed another thing on this car? I think we have. Well, crap. We still have lots more to fix. Something else I do want to fix super quick and super easy. Yep, my windshield wipers. These things are dented and broken and really, really bad. So hopefully I can just push them off of here. What's the deal? Here we go. There it is. Look at that. Look at us fixing stuff left and right. That's really gross. And now let's just put the new one on. Click. Click is good. Look at that. One. This one had a little bit of an issue. A little bit of an angle to this one. That one, we're going in, we're going in, we're going in. See the little piece hanging off? Look at that. Yep. That one is in a world of hurt. I love this. No adapters needed. No nothing. My S500 was a huge pain to fix. Look at this. Look at it kind of dangle. Ah! There it goes. Off. Quick little clean. And on. Come on. There you go. Click. Boom. We're done. All right, time to read the codes and drink some coffee right there. This is what John sent me. John, thank you so much. What we have is a reset for the SRS. This unit right here. Airbag scan and reset tool, which I do not have. And he sent me a code reader with a really cool function right here. Okay, check it out. There it is. Basically, turn the key, do not start the car. You insert this, the little half moon. The little half moon right here fits right into the half moon or quarter, 3/4 moon, whatever it is, right there. Watch this. Watch. Here we go. There, see? So we have FC. And then I have a checkbook and a pen to write down all of these codes. Okay, so we're going to press the start button. It's going to get busy. Can you see it moving? There, let me see if I can zoom in a little more. This is really cool. Here it is. There you go. FF. Scoot up. Scoot up, camera. There you go. Now, if I press it again, hopefully we'll start reading some code. So let's just see what happens. Oh, see, we got one. We got a code. We got us an 05. So we'll write that down. 05. Then do I hit it again? I believe so. And then I got nothing. There are no faults. When the start button is pressed, the unit will attempt to read the fault codes. If there are no faults displayed, it will display ###. There we go. All right, so basically what we look for now, and I'm so glad I wrote down this number. Yep, I'm so glad I wrote that down. Let's see what we've got. So we have our fault code tables for 87 to 95, and I believe it's going to be the K1. Okay, if I look right here, the evaporator purge control valve. All right, while we've got it, we're just going to go crazy here. We're just going to reset all kinds of things, okay? See how it says CE right there? Now we can reset the check engine or the service engine soon light, so we're going to do that. This will reset the MIL malfunction indicator lamp. Okay, so we're done with that one. Let's move on. FC, CE, OL, oil service reset. Let's reset our oil service light. Pressing start will execute the reset. There it is. All right, let's start the old girl and see how many lights are now not on. Come on, please start. Oh, the inspection is still on. Check engine is on. And she doesn't want to keep running. I don't like that. The thing is, I know I put some gas in here, but I don't think a full tank. I think it's bad gas. But I probably should not be running through this thing. But the check engine light over here is not on, which is good. We've got the brake lining and the anti-lock brake. Well, we got her running. We're just going to kind of check things and see what's going on. I've never really checked things out, so I want to see if the lights work. Oh, look. Those kind of came on. Okay. We have lights. Oh, it's a little slow, but we do have bright lights. Highs and lows. What is this, fog? Fog lights. I don't know if they work. Let's see. Maybe they have to be on. I don't know. Okay, we'll run around and check that. Let's check this stuff out, okay? Oh, that's... Oh. Ooh. That hasn't been on in a while. Okay, that's good. Alright. Let's do a brake light. Let's do turn signal. That's unfortunate. Nothing on the right side. There you go. Come on. It's really touchy. There it goes. I think it just needs to be cleaned. But nothing on this side. There. She's coming alive, little by little. Okay. Come on, car. Now these are working. Okay. This is doing, I don't know, whatever. It's kind of blinking. Date, average miles per gallon. That's okay, cool. Let's try this. Let's do this. Off, on, off. Let's try some AC. Here we go. Okay, there is a fan, and it does work, and all kinds of junk is coming out of here. Ugh. But they all work. I don't know if the compressor is working though. Look at this, you have a little timer if you want to time your 0 to 60. Look at that, that's cool. I don't know how you do this. But you know something, is there a booklet? I got something in here. Okay. Oh. Look at this. When was the last time you cleaned your cassette player? Look at that. Now I can go to the, well, I don't want to say it, to the store and ask for some VCR head cleaner. Maybe they'll give it to me. Ah! Check engine light just came back on as she's running. Okay. That right here when it says check refers to this right up here if I remember right. Okay. So let's go ahead and read the codes again and see what we get if it's the same thing. And I gotta tell you, this works. This right here does work. And it works nicely because it's getting warm now. I gotta clean those. Ooh, look at that. Okay. Oh, don't die. Give you a little better vantage point right here. See what the problem is. Okay, we're gonna start. See what kind of a code we get. Since the check engine light did just come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Here we go. 05. That's it. That's our problem. Well, we may have solved one problem. I don't know. Maybe. This was not fully attached. I think some idiot, when he was replacing the timing belt and thought he got everything plugged back in. This looks kind of weird too. Ugh. Well, that idiot, me, didn't plug this thing all the way back in. Let's plug it in. There we go. Nope. There. Now it's plugged in. All right, let's see if that makes a big difference. Ugh. This should go out because this is illuminated when I hit the brakes. Watch. See, it goes out. See? There we go. This check engine light, I'm hoping, kind of relates to... Let's do this. Oh, let's see if our fog lights work too. Looky there, folks. They do. They look good. All these lights seem to be on. On. Except for the side marker. What about the back lights? On and on. Look at that. And she's idling better. Oh, by the way, yep, let me show you the evaporator purge control valve. It lives right down in here. I don't even know if I can kind of give you a sneak peek. Yep, it's under the throttle housing. And I'm going to see if I can clean that and get it all fixed and see if that helps the idle. I will tell you, I do have to admit that this is still the old gas. I know, it's horrible. I forgot to put new gas in there when I was filming the video. But I have fixed that issue. So she does she does have some new gas. Let's see how she sounds, and we'll wrap up the video. Tell you what, this is becoming a very nice place to live. New gas, finally. So let's go ahead and see what she sounds like. Cold start after a day or two. So much better. She sounds 1,000 times better. It's amazing what new gas will do for you. Yeah. Okay, folks, that's going to wrap up another video on the Force Find $500 BMW E30. I do have to make a decision because the convertible top is no longer waterproof and it's got holes in it and it is really, really crappy. So help me decide. There is one at a salvage yard in Joplin, Missouri. I could drive up there. It's got the frame and they say that it's in good condition. Or do I remove this old one, clean the original frame, and try to install a BMW convertible top myself? I've done it before. I did it on a SL 320 that I had when I was living in Naples. It can be done. It's not that much fun. It's just lots and lots of work. So, do I buy old or do I buy new? New. Let me know in the comments below, folks. Thank you very much for tuning in. Thanks for subscribing. Thank you for liking, and I'll see you again in a whole another video. Here's the horn. Bye-bye.